You bringing your kid to court because you know you're gonna go to jail?
I got sentenced on felony court.
Knock it off. Knock it off. And go tell them. Just think you can make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days, I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck. I got people saying, I don't care. I don't have to move.
This man showed up to court for stealing a car from a total stranger, and he even brought his child with him, probably hoping the judge would go easy on him. But things didn't go the way he planned. Completely lost his temper when he heard the sentence, and by the end of the hearing, he stunned the whole courtroom with what he said. Even the judge had to stop for a second. Most people don't realize this, but bringing a child to court to fish for sympathy can actually backfire. Judges can see right through it, and it might even make things worse if they think you're trying to manipulate them. What do you think? Should bringing his child have helped or hurt his case? I'm not so sure, to be honest. Let's get into it and watch how this all plays out. It seemed like this guy's only defense was hoping his kid...
Areas Travante Bryant. You will be 716 3361.
Michael Carmen, 734 on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Your name?
That area's
What, are you bringing your kid to court because you know you're gonna go to jail?
No, Your Honor.
Don't play games with me.
I'm not playing.
Don't play games with me. I don't want people playing games with me.
I don't play any type of.
Listen, you better call somebody and have them come and get that child. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, and then we'll call the case. What I'm gonna do, I'm not quite sure, but I've seen this little trick before. I mean, I didn't just get here 2 months ago, okay? We'll call somebody, get the child. I'll call the case when we're ready. And I'm telling you, if you leave, you're gonna have a big problem with me. You understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, as far as his employment status, he, since January of 2024, has been working at Cosmic Comics, both in Livonia and Fraser. Both locations earned $340 a week. He'll lose that job if he has to go to jail. He has been living in Romulus with his girlfriend. They've been together since 2019. They have 2 children together, ages 1 and 7 months. He just made arrangements for her to pick up the 7-month-old. Your Honor, he's not been incarcerated in several years. He does have a pending matter in Wayne County that's set for sentencing next Monday.
Mr. Mohammed, your name?
Good morning, Your Honor. Mohammed on behalf of the people.
You wrote down full restitution on this. I just want you to be aware, this is the being vehicle to steal property, 200 or more. I just want you to be aware that none of the victims are here. Or less than 200, I'm sorry. This he pled the count. Count 2 was dismissed. He pled. Lisa, just confirm that my understanding is correct. It looks like he pled guilty to count 1, which is the 1 year, and count 2 was dismissed. Is that true?
That's correct.
So I just want you to be aware of that.
And Judge, I apologize. Which case is this?
This is Triarius Travante Bryant. It's a B&E vehicle to steal property, 200 or more, but less than 1,000. It's a 1 year. So I just want you to be aware. I called the names. You're not here. You just put down PSI full restitution, and none of them show. So I'm not going to order any restitution out of this thing.
And Judge, may I ask, does the court send notices to them or?
Yeah, we did send notes.
Okay.
The probation department did when I ordered the pre-sentence report.
So,
Okay.
I understand, Judge. Thank you.
All right. Anything else, Mr. Carmen?
Yeah, since my client shares, the care and custody of 2 young children, his girlfriend that he lives with. If he's got to go to jail, it's going to be very hard on our young family.
Would keep him out of jail. Right off the bat, his lawyer starts begging the judge for leniency, saying he has a family who needs him. But having a family doesn't erase stealing someone's car. Everyone's got family, but not everyone treats the world like it's some kind of video game, where where stealing cars has no consequences. I mean, I remember once my neighbor left his car running with the keys inside. I was late for work, but I still didn't steal it. It's just called having basic common sense. Something about this guy's story doesn't add.
You should think about these things before we go out and steal. I mean, seriously,
I understand.
I don't know if you do or not. I find it a little hard to believe. I mean, you could sit and give me lip service, but you had a R&C motor vehicle in 2021, you had a domestic, where you didn't comply with probation in 22. Conviction was entered on that. You had a retail fraud 23. We're just convicted of felony retail theft in Illinois. We have another case you're bound over to the 33rd, I'm sorry, bound over from here, stealing or retaining without consent a financial transaction device. If that's the case he's going to be sentenced on?
Yes, Your Honor, and there's a sentencing agreement in that case of 2 years probation.
I mean, that's great.
Letting just informing the court.
No, I get it. I'm just telling you, he's got it, bench warrants out of the 34th for assault and battery. Bench warrant out of the 52nd for retail fraud 3. The bench warrant for retail fraud 3 out of Southgate. Retail fraud bench warrant out of the 16th. You up on any of those?
Yes, Your Honor.
When?
I've been taking care of the warrants since I've been out, Your Honor, and
Lisa, can you run his lien again for me, please? This lien is a few days old. Let me just double check.
And my client indicated he's contacted those courts.
You contact.
yes, Your
What do
Honor.
you mean?
I contacted those courts and they told me that I have to turn myself in and schedule it.
Well, you haven't taken care of the warrants then, have you?
No, I have been taking care of some of the warrants, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
I have been taking care of a
All
number.
right, I'm gonna just check with her and see. Now you're breaking into cars. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. You've been unemployed and then you were working at Fast Splash Car Wash. You collected money on a bridge card. You need to go back and get a GED or a diploma. You need to work harder. I don't know why you're not working. You need to work. That's your decision though. But to go out and support a family by feeding all the time is not the answer.
Your Honor, he is working, and I updated the court on that.
I know you did, but still, this report was just done, right? This report was just, let me just double check this. I ordered the pre-sentence report on March 25th. I'm just telling you that they reported then that he was unemployed for the past 8 months. Why were you unemployed for the 8 months preceding that report?
I wasn't unemployed, Your Honor. I was just helping my baby mother going through the postpartum and dealing with the kids. I was still working,
Well, you told them you were unemployed. Reports being unemployed for the past 8 months.
and I don't know why I put that, and I shouldn't have put that. I've been working since January 2024.
Add up. It's like when someone claims they accidentally walked out of a store with a big screen TV. Either he's lying, or he's not too bright. Maybe both. I'm curious what you all think, because I can't figure out why anyone would tell the court they're unemployed while secretly working, unless that work involves masks and bad choices. Oh wait, this guy was stealing and robbing, so I guess that explains it. Case closed? In some places, lying on government forms, like for unemployment benefits, can actually get you felony charges and huge fines. I had a buddy years ago who did DoorDash while collecting unemployment. Let's just say he doesn't DoorDash anymore. Honestly, if he hadn't stolen in the first place, he wouldn't be sitting there whining about the consequences. Just something to
All right. Lisa, you don't see any of those other warrants. I think you just answered my question. You don't see any other warrants cleared out of the locations I just mentioned, right?
I'm just running it right now. Give me 1 second.
Take your time.
No, I don't see any other warrants.
You don't see what?
I don't see any other warrants.
Well, I'm just saying, see the lien in here, but probation reported open warrants issued to the 37th District Court, 16th, the 28th, the 34th, and the 52-3 District Court. Do you see any of those warrants on his lien now?
No, I just ran it and I do not see any warrants.
Good. All right, well, anything else?
Nothing, Your Honor.
He did not spend any time in jail on this, correct?
No.
Where's the child now?
She's going around.
I'm sorry,
She's going around.
was your the mother of the child here?
No, she wasn't here. Someone else came and picked her up.
It's supposed to mean like you become a professional thief. 200 fines, 400 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 7.25, and 40 days jail. You'll serve 325 more if you don't pay your fines and costs. I'll let you pay those at the rate of $75 per month. And I will let that start beginning on June the 15th. If you don't have the money at any point, you call the court. I'll be happy to give you an extension. You have 21 days to write it over. 2B 716-3361. Mr. Bryant, you need.
Here is Brian.
Listen. I'm not gonna put up with you yelling and screaming back there anymore. If I have to call you out here again, I'm gonna give you 30 days for contempt on top of the time that I just gave you. 30. You don't get to act like that. I hope you clearly and fully understand me. If you don't, I'm gonna have you out. Because I would hear you again. And then I'm gonna lock you up for 30 days. And we're gonna do this all day long. You're not gonna make a scene here in the courtroom. That sentencing, if anything, was too light. I'm not playing with you,
How is it too late?
Mr.
I have a judge that I gotta go to felony court. This is district court. I got sentencing on felony court.
Knock it off. Knock it off. And go tell them. You have 5 or 6 felony, you have 5 or 6 theft offenses, you're breaking into people's cars. You just think you could make a living by being a thief?
But I'm not a thief.
Oh, okay. Have a seat in the back, speak up again, you're getting 30 more days, I promise you, that's not a threat, it's a promise.
Bro, I don't give a fuck.
Good, come here, contempt of court, bring him up.
No, bro.
You're gonna send another.
You're gonna get.
I got people saying, I don't care. Ain't not the room, jump up. People stop for me. Be on. Run over flat. Stop. Understand all. At all. So I got surgery on Monday night. You got fuck on my sister. Oh my man. Stop. Fuck with me, bro.
All right. Settle down.
You off, man.
Go down.
No, you're gonna get taken, bro. Taste me, Junior. Taste me.
We don't want it. We don't.
Taste me. Stop resisting. Like I got kids that I gotta raise by myself.
You ain't making it any better.
You keep making it seem like I'm just a thief. I gotta prove that I'm
Let's see what you're doing.
I gotta prove
Knock
it
it off. First, knock it off.
Hey, listen to me.
Look at this.
You're making it twice as bad.
Mr. Bryant, go back in the back. I'm gonna let bygones be bygones, except for the initial jail term. One more word, and I'm telling you, you're doing 30 more days.
How many days?
Enough. Enough. Just control yourself.
Okay.
Stop stealing.
Think about. Are you siding with this guy or with the judge? Because I'm fully team judge here. The guy only got 40 days for stealing, even though he's got past convictions for theft and robbery. That's shocking to me. My mom grounded me longer than that once, just for skipping school. I really expected the judge to hand him a few months behind bars. Maybe he was feeling generous. And tell me. I'm not the only one getting a little bit of old school mob boss energy from this judge. The way he talks, you almost expect him to bang the gavel and say, forget about it. I used to have a boss who sounded just like him, and even when he told me I was late, I felt like I owed him lunch money. 40 days? It's barely even a punishment. It's more like a timeout than a real sentence. I was also surprised the judge didn't follow through when he warned the guy he'd get another. 30 days if he spoke out again. He said it clear as day, then just
Yeah, it's like, oh, ready? Yeah, okay, bro. Go inside, go to the other side. It's real good fathers out here, in real life, bro. And y'all just be locking the fuck up for no reason, bro. I never understood that, bro. But a woman do anything, bro. Don't let her go. She be good. A woman be good, bro. A woman be good, bro.
Do it. Seemed a little inconsistent to me. What do you think? So, I would not want to be the next person walking into that courtroom, especially not the poor guy sitting front and center, looking like he's rethinking every choice he's ever made. I almost feel sorry for him. He's about to get a harsh reality check. So, what's your take? Should this guy have gotten more time, or did the judge handle it fairly? Personally, I think the judge went too easy on him. But let me know what you think.